Hello everyone, this is Tech Learners YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn how we can create any bill or sample bills or invoice in spreadsheet, any kind of spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel or in Google Sheets or another Office Online or another types of spreadsheets simply. We can also design this in Word, but we will make it auto calculatable like this. I prepared this invoice sample in this. Here I put a formula of today. Here I put a formula of calculating total and amount and total, and here is also VAT calculation. We will give discount directly and the final bill amount. Here I put inserted a formula. I type the formula for automatic number system, like if I am calculating here, if I put here an item like laptop, here number 5 in, because I gave the row function here, so row function is counting the row numbers. So we will continue here. If I delete it, this will disappear. So okay, how I created this, let's see the in next sheets. So first I insert the sheets. First I will type tech learners voice sample. So next one is number, name, address, contact. In this other side, voice, I will put here date function of date, today, today function of 21st of February 2025. So we can define the date functions here as per our formatting. So it's a formatting time. So this is here we will put the invoice number. Here we'll put the name of customers. I will merge it. I'll merge these two and this one. So I'll type here serial number, product name, rate, and will put in table. So select it with one another row and control T. I have my headers, so this is table. I'll choose another good design of table like this, or this one. So here I will put the formula that will automatically generate the serial numbers of our bill items. So that's it. If it will check product call shell should, if empty is equal to empty, then put nothing here, else it count the row a1. So it will count the row by row one by one. But there's a formula, we can fix it with the formula. So we will drag it to the next 10. We can insert here as per, and we will calculate the total amount. So it's equal to this multiply by the rate. So it will simply calculate. So here we will put the amount. Here we will put the if we provide discount, any discount, add the total row here. Simply select the sum. It will automatically calculate it. I will delete this and we will delete this row because we don't need already. So let's put the formula of that. This cells 0.13 means 13%, and discount, if we any discount amount we will provide while we creating the bills. The next is equal to this plus this minus discount if I provide discount. Our bill number, okay, bill number, so bill number 1, and our customer's name is address contact 919855. I put a dummy number. So let's product name laptop. Here laptop, then keyboard and 560 rupees. This is our mouse. Just select here and the control P means it will be printed our invoice directly here. This is simple trick to prepare the bill or invoice in our spreadsheet with calculated field, or we can simply design it and print it for a manual bills. Thanks friend, thank you for watching, keep supporting.